After that, guys, on the settings of the recorder, hello guys, what's up? This is me, Manang Jesay, and I wanna shout out sa mga nag-comment po dito. Alright, sa first, I mean, yung sa video ko na how to solve features not available problem. So, this one guys. Shout out to Manang Jesay. So, Disami Walo, Tahi Basa, ba't di po gumana sa akin? Alright, so may video na po ako guys. Shout out to Marvelin Cardenas. Alright, so like. Shout out to Leader Agustin Idol para naman sa Vivo y15s. Alright, so I hope guys na yung second video ko is makakatulong po sa inyo. Ayan po. So, shout out to Lovely Ann Waban, Aaron Green, shout out to Beverly Britannico, shout out to Long Vlogs, and also shout out to Oy Marcelo, Jessa Neri, Nor Muhammad Roni, Jang Barbera, UT Center Girl. So, shout out also to Jonathan Vasquez, Preslenan Laro, Fields Muto, alright. Shout out to Ayn kaano naman kaming naka Vivo y15s. So, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina guys, may latest po na video. So, just watch. So, shout out to Margie Centurias. Dili lagi mugana sa Vivo y15s. Okay. So, yun lang guys. And please watch my new video today. Alright. Everyone, good evening. So, this will be the part 2 of how to fix features not available. So, I hope makakatulong po ito sa inyo, and if you are new here on my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel para naman updated ka sa mga latest ko na videos. Alright, so first guys, punta po kayo sa Play Store. Ayan. So, pagpunta sa Play Store, everyone, just search screen recorder video. So this one. So ang daming pagpipilian po dito, pero ito po yung the best. Alright, so just click and then install. So in my case, na-install ko na din siya guys, and i-open ko na siya. Ayan. Alright, so just wait. So after that guys, here at the settings of the recorder, ayan. So just wait. Let me close this data. Alright, so please follow me. So just scroll down, and then you can see there, repair system UI crash. Alright, so just open this one. So okay, so dito guys, nakita natin yung display over other apps. So at the upper right side here. So, this one, at yung 3 dots dyan. Ayan. So, show system. Just click show system. And then, you can see there, Android accessibility suite, and so on. So, kung hindi pa yan naka-allowed guys, just click. Ayan. So, makikita natin kung allowed na siya kasi naka-blue na siya guys. So, ayan. So, here, makikita natin na naka-blue na. So, naka-allowed na po siya. So, and so on yung mga ano natin guys. Ayan. So, dito guys, yung apps ko guys is allowed na lahat. So, if ever yung apps nyo dito is hindi pa naka-allowed, so, at this moment, so just click allowed. Ayan. So, makikita natin at manotice din natin na naka-allowed na siya. Alright, so yun lang kadali guys. I hope you learned something in this video. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel para naman updated ka sa mga latest ko na video. So, thank you so much.